Alright Wojak. It is weekend. Time to make something of my day and be productive. Just a quick check on my phone. It's still early anyway.
Dude, that's literally all of us right now. Remember being a kid and summer break felt like it went on forever? Now you blink and New Year is already here again. Like, what happened to time? If you feel like someone pressed fast forward on your entire life, you're not losing your mind. There's actually a reason why this is happening to you. Let me explain. Imaging painting a picture. It's Monday morning, you wake up and you're like, okay, this week I'm gonna get my life together. Then you grab your phone to check the time and somehow you end up on TikTok, then Instagram, then YouTube Shorts. You look up at the clock and it's 3 p.m. Half your day is gone and you have no idea where it went. Sounds familiar? This isn't just you being lazy or having bad habits. Something is literally messing with how your brain experiences time. And it's stealing your precious time from you. Here's what's really going on. Your brain remembers time based on new experiences. When you were a kid, everything was new. New places, new people, new feelings. So your brain was like, this is important. Let me remember all of this. Before we get on to the video, if you ever feel stuck or need someone to bounce ideas off, we have a Discord server where people are dealing with the exact same struggles. Time management, productivity, just getting their life together. It's like having a support system of people who actually understand. But now, every day is basically the same. Wake up, phone, work, phone, eat, sleep. Your brain is like, I've seen this movie before, and just doesn't pay attention anymore. It's like when you drive the same route to work every day. You get there and you're like, wait, how did I get here? Because your brain was on autopilot. And your phone is making this so much worse. Every time you scroll through social media, you're giving your brain tiny little hits of excitement. But none of it sticks. Like, can you remember what you saw on Instagram yesterday? Probably not. You're spending hours every day consuming stuff that your brain throws away immediately. It's like eating candy for every meal. It feels good in the moment, but you're starving yourself of real experiences. Meanwhile, real life is happening around you. Conversations with friends, sunsets, moments that could actually become memories, but you're missing them because you're staring at a screen. But here's the good news. You can totally fix this, and it's not as hard as you think. First thing, do something different every single day. I'm not saying climb Mount Everest, just take a different street home from work. Try a new coffee shop. Text someone you haven't talked to in forever. Your brain needs new stuff to wake up. Second, at the end of each day, just think of 3 things that actually happened. Not, I went to work, but like I had that weird conversation with my coworker about her cat. Give your brain something real to hold on to. Third, put your phone down sometimes. I know, easier said than done. But try this. Instead of checking your phone every 5 minutes, check it maybe 3 times a day. Those constant notifications are breaking up your day into tiny little pieces. Fourth, plan stuff to look forward to. Doesn't have to be big, maybe just trying that new restaurant next weekend. When you have something coming up, time actually feels slower because your brain is paying attention. Last one, when you're doing something, actually do it. When you're eating, taste your food. When you're walking, look around. The more you notice what's happening right now, the more your brain will remember it. Look, I'm gonna be straight with you. Your time isn't disappearing. Your attention is. And you can get it back. Try this for 1 week. Do something new every day and actually pay attention to your life. I promise that week will feel longer than the last month. You're not too busy. You're not too stressed. You're just sleepwalking through your own life. Time to wake up. If this hit you, smash that subscribe button. And let me know in the comments, what's one new thing you're gonna try this week?